Hey guys, today we're going to crack open the new Magic Spider-Man easel box here and see what we get out of the packs and see what these cards look like in the display. It's been a while since we've actually done Magic, but big Spider-Man set fan. I mean, big Spider-Man fan, big Magic fan, so best of both worlds here. Okay, so, whoop. The camera here. Let's try to figure out how to get this out of there. Just like that. So I'm just going to show you guys the cards. I'm not actually going to sit and stick them in the display for you guys, but we also got some boosters here, play boosters. But we'll start off and look at these first. Okay, so these are just the art cards that you get in these, it looks like. Okay, I wasn't even sure what we were getting out of these. But nonetheless, got the 3 play boosters here. Oh yeah, it says art cards right on them, duh. 16 cards, 3 play boosters. Anyways, we got Subway Train, Forcers, we got Spider-Man, Web Slinger. Get a little close for you guys, my bad. Web Warriors. We got Madam Web. Okay. On to pack number 2. Kapow. You got Dr. Octopus, Master Planner right there. Okay, and now on to pack number 3. Craven, the Hunter again. Angry Rabble. And we got a Forest. Nice. So I paused for a second, guys, and I found the pack with the 6 easel cards. Glad I looked before I stopped the video here. Now we'll look at these last, I guess, instead of first like I originally wanted to. So here's the grasping tentacles. We got Venom here. We got the Green Goblin. Oh, yeah, there's this Pumpkin Bombzo. That's the last card, but then there's Doc Ock and the Sensational Spider-Man. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I don't think I put these in order. I'm not going to sit and do that, waste my time doing that for you. But anyways, have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.